Tired of your AI creations looking like distant cousins instead of identical twins? Today, we're mastering Nano Banana to forge 100 truly consistent characters for your projects, flawlessly every single time. The secret to unwavering consistency lies in a foundational prompt. Think of this as your character's DNA for our Nano Banana. We'll establish its core identity. This means specifying its exact shape, its signature color, and its most crucial facial features like the size and placement of its eyes and mouth, and even the curve of its peel. Once your foundation is solid, introduce elements that won't disrupt the core design. We're talking about simple props or accessories, for example. If your Nano Banana is a painter, a paintbrush is perfect. If it's an adventurer, a tiny miniflag works crucially. These additions should be small, external, and not alter the character's silhouette or primary colors. Environmental and positional variations are your friends, but make them subtle. Think about placing your Nano Banana in different settings: a plain background, a simple colored surface, or a subtly shifted pose like sitting or standing. Avoid complex backgrounds or dramatic lighting changes that could introduce unwanted AI interpretation and alter your character's appearance. To push consistency further, incorporate hyperspecific minor details. If you want your Nano Banana to wear a tiny hat, describe its exact dimensions and how it perfectly fits the top of its head. For accessories like a small scarf, specify its texture and how it subtly drapes. The key is to guide the AI with incredibly precise, yet unobtrusive, descriptive language. By meticulously defining your character's core, adding carefully chosen accessories, and employing restrained environmental and positional changes, you can generate not just a few consistent characters, but hundreds, ensuring every Nano Banana you create is a perfect, recognizable part of your digital narrative.